Khayrallah Center is dedicated to collecting, preserving, and sharing the history of the Lebanese in the United States and the world. And the story we tell is about people who go to a place like Vicksburg, Mississippi, Elk City, Oklahoma, a car mechanic, a doctor, a merchant, bringing into the United States a new aspect of culture through their food, through their ideas and values, enriching the country, enriching their local community. I think the familiar part, it's what compels people to leave. Their home, their language, their food, their families, their loved ones. What would compel them to do that? So it's really a story of human compunction to improve yourself and to do better for your family. What I think is different than other stories is that they have not been acknowledged as part of the fabric of American society.
I learned about Lebanese people just like my parents. They came from Lebanon, they came here to seek a better life, maybe for education or their family. Just seeing their accomplishments in their newspapers and kind of everything they did.
It could be anything from an old photograph, an audio recording, a home film, music recordings, you name it, we collect it.
Going through the Mukarza collection, and I was reading letters between Alice and her father. She was telling her father about a city they traveled to, and it was my hometown in Lebanon. The hotel and the lights and the city. Everybody I know, my family is there.
There's no other center that does this. So when we make documentaries, when we have museum exhibits, when we go into classrooms, it's basically the only source about the history of this community in the United States.
They haven't been told before to a wide audience, and so that's part of our mission.
What you see is their humanity. People begin to recognize themselves in that story.
These people that work here, they love what they do. It's a very diverse staff.
Every day is fulfilling. I get to do my dream job every day. We're creating something that's more than just the center, and it's more than just a history project or humanities project on Lebanese. I think the stories that we tell are very important. A lot of younger generations aren't as concerned about learning about their grandparents or their great-grandparents or where they came from right now, but they will someday.
Seven or second or third generation, they need to know about how their first family members who came here immigrated and what they noticed, what they faced.
Because without history, we don't understand our past and we don't understand ourselves.
It's who you are.
They do a monumental job in keeping these stories alive.
Because this story has not been told before.
It's something everybody should know and be proud of.